going to teach you how to make coated peanuts. What are the ingredients? Peanuts and sugar and water. Okay, for example, if you have 3 cups of peanuts, peeled peanuts, then put 3 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. So so it's just like half. If this is 6 cups, for example, put 6 cups of sugar, regular white sugar, and then 6 cups of water, for example. So I'll see you in the next step. Okay, here's the 5 cups. So we make sure this is 5 cups of peanuts. So we put 5 cups of water and 5 cups of sugar. So everything is 50-50. Okay, this is coated peanuts made by my niece Renzel. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll show you the finished product. So put high until it's boiled really high, boiled, and then after that, then you have to do it slowly. So put that in medium when the water boils, and you have to watch it because otherwise the sugar will burned. So you have to be really careful watching it, not just leave it there because there's a lot of water, but no, you have to watch it because it might burn the sugar. So I'll see you in a little bit. The water starts getting sticky and we're almost there, so just keep on stirring. The peanuts is dry and the sugar already coated the peanuts. That's why we called it coated peanuts. Looks really good. Let it cool. Look at this. Okay, the water is dry now, and so as you can see, the sugar, it's like coating the peanuts now. So make it a little bit brown and ready to go. I'll show you in a little bit. My friends, here is the coated peanuts by Renzel Brown. See this?
Yeah.
Tastes so good.
Yummy.
Yummy. See that?
Good job, Ta.
Good job, Dai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ta.
See you later. Give us a like, comments, so we can do better, okay? And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.